Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, I'm down for the long run now. Red Corvette and my drop top down. Calling up my digits in my Motorola, and I'm speeding like I robbed someone. Falling and I'm a whip, yeah. Out in Fairfax, going hard in the pit, yeah, yeah.
Okay, you guys, so before we proceed with this video, I'm just going to need you all to go ahead and hit thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And I also need you guys to comment on this video. I really need to interact with you all more, but I can't do that if you're not commenting or, you know, asking questions or whatever it may be. And also check the description box to follow me on all social media. So let's go on with this video. Okay guys, so this is going to be a video, and who sponsored this video? A company called YGwigs.com. I will have all of their information down below in the description box. So as you can see, I received my wig via FedEx, and when I tell you I was so shocked at all of these goodies that they sent you guys. Alright, so this right here is just a little manual just telling you how to care for your wigs. Also came with wig caps. It came with an elastic band and also 2 clips. Now what I was most surprised about was this cute little bag. It's one of them bags that you could just throw on like if you're going to the gym or something like that. But I thought it was really cute, and you could also put your wig back in the bag for storage purposes. So this wig that I received, again from YGwigs.com, it is a Brazilian lace front wig. It's a 14-inch straight bob, and the color that I have mine in is 1B99J, and it's 150% density. So this is what the wig looks like straight out of the package. Didn't have any type of smell. The shipping was really quick. It comes with 3 combs in the front, 1 in the back, which I absolutely love, and it also has adjustable straps.
Yeah, hundreds on my bed, flexing with the bill. Roses in my wallet and I'm flexing it for real. Racks and racks and racks.
So of course, when you first get a wig, it's not going to look like it does in the pictures or on the website. You have to do a little something to it. Now, this wig didn't take much effort, but I definitely wanted it to, you know, look a little more natural. The lace parting on this wig was really good, actually. You get about a good 4 inches of parting space. But as you can see, I just went in with my Irresistible Me curling wand just to flatten out that parting space. And please excuse me, you guys. I was on the phone with my best friend, and we were just cutting up, laughing, joking around. But I definitely had to talk to him while I was filming this video. So that's what you see. You see me talking and laughing. That's why. So anyway, I just went in with my Irresistible Me curling wand, like I said, just to flatten out that parting space. And then I wanted to see if I could get that wig look out of it. So I went in with my flat iron. I'll try to leave the links down below to all of the items that I'm using. I know I always say that, and I always forget. So you guys can remind me in the comment section about putting that stuff in the, you know, description box. So here I'm just taking my face powder. This is my MAC face powder. I believe it's NW45, but it matches my skin tone perfectly. And so I just use that in the parting space just to open it up a little more. And then because this wig doesn't have bleached knots, so I went in with my face powder along the perimeter of the wig, again, just to make it look a little more realistic. And I'm going in with my straightening serum, which is actually an oil as well, so it just helps the wig look a little more natural. And I know I was supposed to do that before flat ironing the hair, but it doesn't really matter. This wig took heat very well. I had everything on a really high temperature, so I thought that would be useful for you guys in case you're wondering, you know, how does it take heat. Of course, I didn't curl the wig because I just like it the way it looks straight. It is a nice little bob. It's a little longer than the bobs that I'm used to, but I love it. I have nothing bad to say about this wig. If you guys are interested, you already know all of the links will be down below in the description box. And if you like this wig, if you like this video, like I said in the beginning, don't forget to hit that thumbs up, subscribe, you guys, and follow me on all social media. And I will talk to you all later. Thanks for watching. Bye.
You just leave this up to me.